In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI video with Kaiber. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a simple idea to an AI-generated video with just a few clicks. First, log into Kaiber using your account. As soon as you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your starting point for creating everything. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so your session doesn't time out while your video is being processed. From the dashboard, click on Create a Video. This button opens the workspace where you'll set up your project. Think of it as your canvas. Everything you enter here will guide the AI in shaping your final video. Now describe the subject. This is where clarity pays off. In the prompt box, write what you want to see, as if you're briefing a creative partner. Be specific about the subject, the setting, and the mood. Instead of saying a city, try a futuristic city at night with neon lights, light rain, and reflective streets. If you care about movement, mention it, like slow camera push-in or smooth pan across the skyline. You can also include tone words such as cinematic, dreamlike, or high energy to guide the pacing and feel. Keep sentences straightforward, avoid contradictions, and focus on the key details that matter most to you. Next, upload an image. This acts as a visual reference to anchor the AI's interpretation of your prompt. Choose a clear, well-lit image that matches your idea. Simple backgrounds and strong subject focus work best. Common formats like JPG and PNG are widely supported. Higher resolution images usually yield cleaner results, but avoid enormous files that could slow processing. Make sure you have the right to use the image you upload. If your subject is a person or product, center it in the frame so Kaiber understands what to emphasize. With your description in place and your image uploaded, click Generate. Kaiber will start analyzing your prompt and reference image to build the video. Processing time can vary depending on complexity and demand, so give it a moment. As it works, it's interpreting your words, matching them to visual patterns, and animating details in a coherent sequence. When it's finished, you'll see your AI-generated video ready to preview. Watch it all the way through so you can evaluate how well it reflects your description and reference image. And that's the entire process. Log in, create a new video, describe your subject clearly, upload a strong reference image, and generate. Follow these steps and you'll be creating AI videos with confidence using Kaiber.